I'm Priscilla from Easy Medical Research. Today I'm going to be discussing what is a clinical trial. Now it sounds like a simple question, yet people don't really know what a clinical trial truly is until you have participated as a patient or as a staff member. If you think about when you go to the doctor and your physician orders you medications, you usually don't think much of it and you take the medication. But how did that physician get the ability to write that prescription? How did he know that taking that medication outweighed the risk of continuing with your illness? Well, if it wasn't for clinical trial data, we would not be able to have known that that was the appropriate medication to prescribe. Clinical trials are broken up into multiple phases. A patient could participate in either phase 1, 2, 3, or 4. While many assume you are just a guinea pig, that's not necessarily the case. Phase 1 trials are first in humans, so this is the phase that we're switching from testing on animals to testing on humans. The majority of the time, these trials will require the participants to stay overnight. I'll make a separate video to focus on what phase 1 entails. Now, phase 2 and 3 are the majority of our trials. In phase 2 and 3, we're continuing to study the efficacy or benefits and side effects that these medications have. A lot of times, we're searching for what dose benefits the patients more. And phase 4 is going to be your post-market trials. These drugs are already FDA approved, but are continuing in trials for further testing. Sometimes the pharmaceutical companies may be looking for more data on a larger number of subjects, or they may be looking to prove a different outcome. This means they may want to add a new indication to their label. So for example, if a medication has proven to lower your cholesterol levels, they can only market that information. However, if they can prove in their trials that the medication can lower your risk of having a cardiovascular event, such as a heart attack, then they can mention this as well. If you enjoyed content like this, follow our page and comment with any questions or topics you may want me to go over.